Look what happens when you take an infusion with 2 leaves of this herb. Nasal congestion, although not properly a disease, if it is a nuisance, because it causes an obstruction of the nostrils, causing a constant secretion of the mucosa. Nasal congestion can occur because of a common cold, acute or chronic sinusitis. You also feel a lot of dryness in your throat, and this is caused by opening your mouth constantly because you cannot breathe well because of nasal congestion. When a person has this condition, he cannot breathe well, snores at night, has a nasal obstruction, and may even suffer from sleep apnea. Here we will give you some natural remedies to eliminate excess mucus in the nose because of nasal congestion. Natural remedies for nasal congestion. 1. Ginger tea. It is very important to ingest hot drinks. It will help reduce the inflammation in the nostrils. Warm water compresses. You are going to put on your face a cloth with warm water, just in the spaces of the nasal sinuses. This will help you to decongest the mucosa and to diminish the inflammation. 3. Eucalyptus. You only have to boil water with eucalyptus leaves, place it in a large bowl, and with the help of a towel we will take the steam. This helps the nasal congestion. Do it twice a day, one in the morning and another by the night. 4. Sea salt. 5. Sodium bicarbonate. 6. Vapors or hot bath. 7. Oregano oil. 8. Apple cider vinegar. 9. Honey with vinegar. 10. Melissa. With this plant managed to decongest considerably, you will only have to heat half a liter of water in a pot, with 2 tablespoons of Melissa, and when it starts to boil remove it from the fire, and with the help of a towel you will catch the steam.